Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on Vedic Maths. In this video, we are going to discuss the divisibility rule for 499. Yes, हमने previous video में बहुत सारे divisibility rule को study किया है जिसमें हमने single number, 2-digit numbers देखे. But what about the 3-digit number? That is the interesting part. So must watch this video till the end. Also share this video with your friends so that they will also get the benefit of this video. And this question which I am discussing, you can ask the same type of question to your friend and check who will get the faster answer. Is it we are getting the answer quickly with the help of Vedic Maths trick or your regular division process? Obviously 499 we don't know the table, so obviously Vedic Maths will help you to find the quickly answer whether the particular number is divisible by that 499 or not. Also I am telling you the generalized method, that means you can use for other number also. Means once you get the clear idea how we are getting this divisibility rule, so obviously you can find the divisibility rule for any number. So let's begin. Now here our number is 499 and this number already ended with digit 9. That means here we don't need to multiply by any number. Why I am saying this? Obviously if you have know the previous video, so you know that whenever we have given the number, we are multiplying some number so that that product will be ended with 9. But this number is already ended with 9, so you just have to check is it the near to the any base number. So it is near to the 500. This number is near to 500 and this 500 we can write as 5 into 100. So 100 is our base number, so it is a multiple of 100, that is a 5000 is a multiple of 100, 5 into 100. This 5 is called osculator for this 499. So this 5 we can say 5 is a osculator. 5 is a osculator for 499. Now we see the simple example. Let's assume that we are given the number 1996. Is it divisible by 499? So how to check? We have to multiply last number by osculator and add the remaining part of the number. This is our regular process. So previous video mein we have discussed 7, 13, 19, 29, 23 and 39. So in that video we are taking the last number because that time our base number is 10 and 10 contain only 1 0. So because of base number is 10 contain 1 0, that's why we are taking last number multiply by osculator. But in this video the number is 3-digit and 3-digit number is a multiple of 100 and 100 contain 2 0. That's why in this 499 we are break the number into the two part, but the lastly we have to take 2-digit. So here this number we have to break into the two part, last two number and remaining part of the number. So this last two number multiply by osculator, that is a 5, and add this product into the remaining part of the number. Take the product of 96 multiplied by 5. So 5 into 6 is 30, carry 3. 5 into 9 is 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. So here the product of 96 multiplied by 5 is 480 and add the 19. So 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. And here it is a 4. So answer is 499. Is it 499 is divisible by 499? Yes, it is. So 499 is divisible by 499. So this result is divisible by 499. That means our original number 1996 is also divisible by 499. You can use the calci and try to divide this number by 499. You will get the complete answer without decimal point. Means it is completely divisible by 499. Let's take the another example. Suppose we have given the number 7984. You just have to break this number in two part, last 2-digit. Why we are taking last 2-digit? Because our base is 100. That's why we have to take last 2-digit. whatever the remaining part of the number. Maybe it remained 3 digit, 1 digit, whatever the remaining, that doesn't matter. But in this number, whenever you are break this number, we have to take the last 2 digit as a one group and remaining number as a another group. And this last number 84 multiply by osculator number. So here our osculator number is 5, and add this product into the remaining part of the number. Now multiply this product. 5 into 4 is 20, 0, 2 carry. Here it is a 40 plus 2, 42. So here 420 plus of 90, 79. Take the addition. Here it is a 499. Oh, we get the same answer. And here 499 is divisible by 499. It is not necessary always we are getting the 499. Might be it is a multiple of 499. So luckily we are getting this number 499, and we know that 499 is divisible by 499. Obviously every number is divisible by itself. So that's why we can say our original number 7984 is also divisible by 499. Let's take one more example. We have given 63,373. You can pause the video, try this example and just check your step whether you are getting the answer correct or not. Here again you have to break this number into the two part, last 2 digit and remaining part of the number. So last 2 digit here 73, and this last 2 digit multiply by osculator number. So here osculator number is 5, and add the remaining part of the number into it. Now take the product of 73 multiplied by 5. 5 into 3 is 15, carry 1. 7 into 5 35, 35 plus 1 is 36. Take the addition. 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 3 plus 6 is again 9. Now answer is 998. Is it divisible by 499? So if you know, you can conclude with the help of this answer. If you don't know, you can repeat the process again. Means again you can break this number into the two part, last 2 digit and remaining part of the number. Here remaining part is getting the single number. In this starting part you are getting the 3 numbers, and here we are getting the 2 numbers. So whatever the remaining number, that will be our second group. So last 2 number and remaining part as our second group. So here 98 is the last 2 number. Multiply this last 2 number by osculator and add this product in the remaining part of the number. Now here 5 into 8 is 40, carry 4. 9 into 5 45. 45 plus of 4 is 49, and add this 9 in this number. So answer is 499. Yes. Now here again it is simple. 499 is divisible by 499, and this number is divisible by 499. So our original number 63,373 is also divisible by 499. Isn't it interesting? Yes. So in this way you can solve the question of divisibility rule. I hope it is clear to you, and I have discussed all type of divisibility rule with the detailed concept. And to learn the detailed concept of mathematics, you must have to follow my channel, subscribe the channel, share this video with your friend, and if you feel that these videos are very helpful to you, then click on the like button. Thank you for watching.